This is comfort food, simple, tasty and satisfying. Here is the recipe for salmon rice soup. Cut the salmon fillet into slices. Cut some asparagus diagonally into 1-inch pieces. Wash some shimeji mushrooms. Chop some shallots and garlic. This is 1 teaspoon of dashi powder. We start by making the prawn soup base. These are leftover prawn heads from the other day, which I have saved up for this recipe. Fry in high heat until they are red and fragrant for about 3 to 4 minutes. This is where all the flavor is going to come from. Add some water. Let it simmer for 30 minutes. Strain the soup and set it aside. Next, fry the shallots and garlic. When fragrant, add the SHIMEJI mushrooms and fry for 1 minute. Add the asparagus. Add 1 ladle of prawn soup, which we prepared earlier. Let it simmer until the asparagus is cooked. Coming back to the prawn soup, add 1 teaspoon of dashi powder. Add the salmon. When the soup is just about to come back to boil, turn off the heat and remove the salmon. To serve, put some rice, asparagus, shimeji mushroom, and some salmon into a bowl. Pour the soup over the rice and enjoy. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please give me a like, subscribe, and share the video with your family and friends.